Consider this, if you will, most popular shape: the square and the triangle. One is contained in the other, triangle and the square. Simple reality, taken for granted. Pythagoras, the man behind this simple concept that I have just given, I am here to talk to you about that man. According to Porphyry, Pythagoras was born on the island of Samos in 586 BC. Not much is known about his early years. And the school he founded, well, even more mysterious, one would say. Secrecy, vegetarianism, self-examination, reincarnation, immortality. These were some of the concepts that came out of his school. The main focus of the ethics in his school are philosophy, math, music, and gymnastics. Popular things at the time for ancient Greeks, but Pythagoras took it to the next level. He believed it to be very real, this concept of math and how it affects the world around us, which would all explain his almost reverential attitude towards it in the first place. Most of the people of his day believed that the world was magic. He rejected that reality and substituted his own. He tried to explain it in very simple terms. Example, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, very simple concept, something we write off most of the time. However, he took the idea 2 plus 2 and made it a concrete 2 ships plus 2 ships equal 4 ships. Once again, something that people at his time didn't even try to explain. He also believed some more radical things, like the number 10 was sacred. Wasn't able to prove this so much, but it didn't stop him from doing some more practical things. For example, in the world of music, he offered an explanation for being able to cure disease by using harmony. The lyre, like a harp, if played in whole number ratios, could produce harmonious tones. This was proven to work, as he would play the lyre for sick people and they would get better. He also contributed to the world of astronomy. He said that the moon's orbit lined up with the equator, and that Venus could be viewed as morning and evening. The name Evening Star came from that. He also left us one of the most fundamental concepts in geometry and algebra: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, to us, is just a simple formula and sometimes hard to understand. However, Pythagoras literally thought of it in terms of triangles and the squares on them. A triangle, three-sided figure, the longest side is the hypotenuse. He believed that squares existed on all of these sides. That is how the formula was derived. Once again, taken for granted. But all these things that he contributed to the different worlds of astronomy, math, music, architects, engineers, and math students wouldn't be anywhere near what they could be without him and his school of thought.